Had an awesome day today and made $362 across the evaluation accounts, and all of this is because this London low here, London short trade here, which we were reaching for the lows at 18,000, and I was holding this trade for 146 minutes, so almost took me out. It was crazy. So after that I thought finally the curse has been lifted, and the first trade got us into a decent profit on a Friday, so I'm very glad about that. The rest of the day I was just paper trading. This was a paper trade with 2R, so the system worked good. Then we had a loss, and now I'm just fooling around. Live stream, guaranteeing this level 17,858. Not sure, of course, what's gonna happen, but no other trade has been made. I didn't trade the Russell today because I wanted to lower the risk. But anyway, here is the account details, how I did today. The Bulenox account ended up from 674 to 795, which is $121. The My Funded Futures eval went up to $951, and the Apex account went up to from 904 to $1,025. So overall, I'm very happy with the trade. For a Friday, it's very, very good. So if you're curious about my entry model, check out pip.ninja and subscribe to the stream. And I'm going to be continuing to stream next week as well. So it was a great week. We're going to do a recap. See you guys on next week.